TubeVoice AI has just been released, and it's making waves in the AI space. Whether you're new to the world of AI or a seasoned pro, there are 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool before jumping in. In this review, I'll give you a breakdown of what makes TubeVoice AI stand out, how it can boost your content, and why it's worth checking out. Stick around, because by the end, I'll also tell you how to try TubeVoice for free, and I'll give you my top AI recommendations, all based on years of testing. So, what is TubeVoice AI? It's a powerful AI tool designed to enhance your video content by creating highly engaging voiceovers that sound natural and professional. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, explainer videos, or any form of content that needs clear, crisp narration, TubeVoice AI could be the game changer you've been waiting for. First up, the user interface is incredibly easy to navigate. You don't need to be tech savvy to get started. The dashboard is intuitive, and you can quickly generate voiceovers in minutes. The simplicity of TubeVoice makes it accessible to content creators of all levels, from beginners to professionals, and you can hit the ground running without getting overwhelmed. Next, TubeVoice offers a wide range of voice options. It's not just about creating a voiceover, it's about choosing the right voice that fits your brand and the mood of your content. From formal to conversational, TubeVoice has a variety of voices in different tones and accents. You can pick one that best matches your video's vibe, ensuring your message comes across just the way you want it. Another huge benefit is the AI's ability to replicate human nuances in speech. The technology behind TubeVoice AI ensures that the voiceovers sound incredibly natural. It's not the robotic tone you'd expect from some other AI tools. It's dynamic, expressive, and engaging. This can make your content feel more personal, which, as we know, helps with audience retention. Now, let's talk about customization. TubeVoice lets you adjust the pacing, tone, and even emphasize specific words for impact. If you're working on a tutorial video or need to guide your audience through complex steps, this feature is a game changer. You can also fine-tune the pronunciation of names or industry-specific terms, which is a huge plus for content creators in niche markets. One thing that really sets TubeVoice apart is its multilingual support. If you're aiming for an international audience, you'll be happy to know that TubeVoice supports multiple languages. This makes it a great tool for global content creators who want to reach diverse markets without having to hire multiple voice actors for different languages. TubeVoice also offers integration with popular video platforms. Whether you're using YouTube or another platform, you can easily export your voiceovers and sync them with your visuals. This integration streamlines your workflow, saving you time in post-production. Lastly, the pricing structure is very competitive. You can start using TubeVoice AI with a free trial, giving you a taste of its features before committing to anything. It's perfect for anyone just getting into AI voiceovers without wanting to spend a ton upfront. After the free trial, the paid plans offer a lot of value for content creators looking for high-quality, scalable voiceover solutions. So after using TubeVoice AI myself and testing many similar tools, I can confidently say that it offers one of the best value to performance ratios in the market. If you're looking for an AI voiceover tool that combines ease of use, flexibility, and professional quality results, TubeVoice AI is definitely worth checking out. Remember, you can try TubeVoice AI for free with the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software tools, I found this one to be an excellent choice for creators looking to elevate their content quickly and easily. Plus, I've also listed some of my other recommended AI tools for content creators in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those free trials and make the most of these amazing AI technologies to supercharge your content creation process.